Aloha, welcome to Hawaii. Here's what we get typically for hurricanes here in Hawaii. Usually regular days, the trade winds, you can see the grass laying down. You can see the clouds move pretty fast because the trade winds are blowing most of the time. But now with this hurricane, you don't see much wind blowing at all. The birds are happy. The bugs are flying around. Look at the clouds. Where's the hurricane? It's out there somewhere. It's Maui that way. We're up on the Kohala Mountains. And usually we can see Lanai, Kahulave. You can see some blue sky. Nice clouds, not even moving. Not even being pushed by a giant hurricane that supposedly is sitting out there. You hear the wind blow? Can you see the sky move? This is what we get for hurricanes in Hawaii. So most everybody that's concerned about us think we're gonna get hit like they do in Florida. Can forget about us getting hit. It rarely happens. Some blue sky up somewhere towards the hurricane. Oh, there's a bit of wind. Watch out. You see any waves on the ocean? Usually we see white caps most every day. Some days it's calm. But today is a hurricane. Where are the hurricane waves? Where are the hurricane waves? There's Kona that way. See the clouds move. Nice blue sky over Kona. There are some homeless pigs. They're always running around, homeless. They look like they're looking for shelter. Usually we see the grass laying down with the trade winds. You can see that it's kind of laying one side. But no wind in it today. What is this guy doing? This tree is not going to lose any leaves today. Butterfly flying around. No trouble for the butterfly. There you go. Where's this guy going in a hurricane? You gotta be crazy going out on a boat during a hurricane? Maybe he's a lifeguard. Happy, happy pigs. This is our hurricane. Thank you for watching.